Hello beautiful people, hope you will be fine. In this video, we will show you different makeup looks for summer, with colorful eye make and dewy soft makeup look. You can try this look at the evening and any event. This makeup suits all eye colors, enhancing the natural color and creating a look that's simple, pretty. It's easy to achieve and can effortlessly transition from a business meeting to a night out, embodying a look that's both professional and pretty. It's an easy way to add a touch of summer light to your makeup, with a slight shimmer that catches the sun's rays. It's simple, pretty, and perfect to your daily routine. With shades of brown and green, it's a natural yet bold look for those who want to add an edge to their summer makeup routines. These looks enhance your natural look into elegance. The colors blend together to give a glowy and natural radiance, perfect for any summer night event where you want to feel pretty and polished. The light cat eye flick adds a playful touch to a natural, soft aesthetic, pairing beautifully with a neutral outfit or a colorful summer dress. This makeup embraces the glowy beauty of a sunset, with soft pink shades that add a romantic and pretty charm to your eyes. This look pairs beautifully with both natural and evening makeup, making it a versatile choice for the summer season that's all about expressing your mood and style. The soft, blended application creates a smoky effect that's pretty yet powerful. Hope you like these looks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.